So now I'm gonna present the homework 6 YouTube. The homework demand is the homework require me to write a function that read from another file, text text file. In the file we have the name of the student, the 4 grade of the test they took. So in the function, I'm gonna write a code that read from that file and count the average. Compute the average of the 4 grades and give out the average score, average grade, and then arranges into A, B, C, D, or E. If the average range from 0.92 to 1 is the student's grade gonna be A. If it's range from 0.85 to 0.82, the student grade gonna be B. And now is here's my actually first of all I write the code that define the how much gonna be A or B or C. So the grade, we call it the grade is gonna be the average grade of the student. If it's larger than 0.92, we don't. So here we include the upper endpoint. Include the 1, but not the lower. Not the 92. So we don't use the equal sign here, but here we use it. And from 85 to 92 is gonna be B, right? So we return all of the result to use it later. Here let's see, control reprint. Actually, we don't need it later. And the main code is test scores to letter. So we read the file. We already have the file name, day, grades, doc text. So it has student name and 4 test grade. And when we read it, we use file name. It open the file and read, and we write to another file named average grade. So we have another file named average grade. We write it to. So now actually this one shouldn't be here, but it's fine. It can be. How about put it down here? It's better. It's easier to make sense. All right. This is command. Okay. So for line in the file name. So in the file name here, we read it from here. For each line, the file grade is So it read from this one, it write to this one. Read from the day grade to and write to the average grade. So write to the average grade, I mean the live grade. The is lie and replace the return, I mean the space after we enter by and then the line after is defined by line in the file grade, and is replace the return, I mean the enter return, and then split it by the comma. So here in the file we have every single item here separate by the comma. So we split it into, when we split it, in each line we have 5 items. The name first and the second to the fifth are the test score. So then for I in line after, so for each line after, I mean the line after, we write it into the file rate, and it's already split the items. So here every line after is a list of items. So the grade here we can is the average grade is equal to float of the line after the average of 4 score, I mean 4 test score. So for the first line, when it's run to the first line, we use the item number 1. This the name is the item number 0. Is index is 0. So the index number 1, 2, 3, 4. Some accumulate some all of them and then divide it by 4. We have an average. So I run in there, how many lines? There are 4 lines, so I run into 4. And the students, actually we don't need this one, just make it longer. Let me see. Okay, so here I make it easier symbol to see. So I define student is line after item 0 is mean name of the student. Grade is the to letter of the grade and actually here, so it's mean A, B, C or D. And test average is the grade 2. 2 is route to test average is the grade. Okay, so now this is the format I do for to make the table. Item 0 is student, and the space is gonna be 15. Item second, I mean number 1, the second one is gray, and its space its length is 15. The second, the third one is average, test average, and here the same order, but the third one we have the float here. We actually here we use floats because the life after number 1 is 0 0.090 or 0.98 is string, so we have to use float to converses to value. So you will where we go, okay, here. So here 2f is we keep 2 decimals, and then format student grade test average, and then we run. There we go. So here we run it. I haven't saved it. Oh shit, what's wrong? Oh, I know what it is. It should be here. Oh yeah. Yeah, I make a wrong decision. I should what did I do? I have to put it here, because when it's gonna run every single route. Right, I think this will be fine. Run. So now we have the result here, student. I think I should make a little bit more print. The should be around this one. Okay, cool. Too much? Cool. That's perfect. All right. Thanks. And okay, good night.